Hi guys, and welcome to another edition of Big Fluffy Duck's eBay channel, and today we're doing a toys special, and I just wanted to really show you some of the things that I've got to sell and tell you a bit about what we'll sell but are good. So first of all, retro toys, which are toys from when I was a kid, from the 70s, 80s, and they do really well on eBay because people are always looking for toys that they used to play with themselves that they can pass on to their own kids. So I've got a few here just to show you. So first of all, let me show you these little guys. These are Weebles, colourful. These are ones I used to have as a child. I found them in a box up in the attic. I'll just show you all the stuff, all different accessories, and there's a little seesaw. Now they're all in different kinds of condition. Some are quite good, as you see the seesaw's a bit marked. Quite good that side though. A little table, no, that's quite good condition. Weebles here. Things like this, people really do want them. Takes them back years here. So I'm going to put that on as one lot, see how they go. I will say that some of them are in good condition, some aren't, which are good. And people really like these and they do sell well. They want them for add to their own collection, or as I say, to let the kids have them, or they're Weebles from the 80s. Then I've got these two, which are from my daughter when she was smaller. These are Weebles from, what are they from? 2008. These are the newer Weebles. Still, Weebles wobble but they don't fall down, but they've got like completely different to what the old Weebles look like. So I put them on just to see if anybody's interested in the newer version, see which go better. These are in quite good condition because she didn't really play with them that much. So we've got the new and the old, which are good toys. Now I've got other things like these. I've got a little Lego set. Now this is still sealed, boxed, so this will be great because people like things like that. I think this was just a spare set that's never been used, so I'm going to add that on. This is a Disney Princess Whiskey Haven set. I think it's an aerial set with all the little bits in it. Lego's really popular. It's quite expensive to buy, so people are always looking for a bargain to try and get it a bit cheaper. That does really well on eBay. Talking of, I have got, this is another toy, another retro toy, an activity toy from when I was a child. Basically it's a scale. I'll have to take it out. The box is a little bit rough again, but I will include that in the item description, which is always best to show in your item description, say exactly what the condition's in. So this is a little scale and you put the little numbers on and you've got to balance it out. See, that won't work. So if I put 5 on there, and that should balance it out. So it's quite novel, but it helps children with their math skills. So that's quite good. That was a one, as I say, back from when I was a child. I had that for many a year, but too old for my daughter, too young for my daughter now. She's way past playing with things like that. So that's another one that I'm going to add on. What else have I got here to show you today? A couple of jigsaws. Now jigsaws, before, I know it's a pain, but you must check them out, make them up, make sure all the pieces are there. Either make them up or count the pieces, whatever's easier, which I have done with these. So I've got an aerial one. Pieces are all there. I've made them up and checked. And that's what you better to write on your description again, that you have checked that the pieces are all there. And Mickey Mouse. Disney stuff usually sells really well because people like the quality of Disney. Talking about Disney, actually, I've got a couple of Star Wars figures here. My husband bought them. Not sure why, he just got them in the sale, and my daughter didn't particularly like Star Wars, he does. So she's never played with them, they're just sat in a cupboard. So I'm going to pop these on. So basically, I will say the brand new condition, and I'll do a bit of research, maybe go on Amazon or one of the toy shop stores just to see kind of what price they sell at full price, because they are just newer models. So you should be able to see that they're probably still available, and it gives you a guideline of the price of what they are now, and you can maybe drop them down a bit so people are getting a bargain, but you're still making a little profit for yourself. That's what you best to do. All about doing research, really, on eBay. Then I've got some My Little Pony stuff. This is a little set. I think this was cheap in a toy shop I saw it, and I got it as a party gift, and I've never given it out. I just found it in the cupboard the other day. So this is the Twilight, Sparkle and Celestia set. You make them up, and you've got stickers and things to put on them. That's quite a little set. People like it because it's quite thin, good on the postage. Then I've got, this was another toy gift, another party gift I've got, but never gave it again. It's a tin full of stickers and books, and it's still sealed, which is good. So you need to make sure you put on your listing that it's new, brand new, still sealed in the packaging. People love that nobody else has touched it. And another set, My Little Pony. This is the pop set, as you see. It's a new set, still sealed. Got the ponies there that you make up. This is one's Pinkie Pie. Little bits there to make up. But these will be for a certain age, so you better to look, up 4 years and upwards, so you better add that on. You can put in all the information you can, and that's good. And again, go into the likes of Amazon, see how much they sell them for, get your research done and check it out. I think that's all. I've got one more thing I can show you. Magna Doodle, or a scribbling pen, or I don't know what to call them, but it's one of those ones where you write on and then use the bit at the bottom like that. So, and you've got shapes up the top. These are quite popular for young kids. People love them. It's in good order. A little bit on the stickers. I'm not sure if those stickers are supposed to be on it, but I'm assuming they are because it is a Peppa Pig one. I think it maybe came with stickers that you had to stick on it yourself. Good condition. You've got all your information on the back there, if you can see it, that you can add into your description. And there. And that's really showing you what toys I've got at the moment. I've got a whole load more to list and ones to sort out, but I will make videos of them just to give you a show exactly kind of what things you can sell on eBay and what you can't really. I have got Peppa toys, which are really good. But as I say, I have done a separate video, the Peppa Pig toys. I've done their own special video because I've got quite a few Peppa Pig toys because they are very popular. My daughter used to love these toys when she was younger, so I've got quite a few. But I will be adding all this on to my site, so you can go and have a little look. Details are below of what my site is. This is my new merch as well. If anybody would like to go on, the description is below where you can get it from. And so, thank you very much for watching again. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.